Hi, I'm Alex Weckiewicz, and for today's pro tip, we're going to be talking about the Kotlin programming language, how it's used, and why you might want to add it to your repertoire. First, what is Kotlin? Put simply, Kotlin is a modern, concise, and safe programming language that's mainly used for Android application development, but which also offers cross-platform support. First introduced by JetBrains in 2011, Google recognized Kotlin as the third language fully supported for Android after Java and C++, and in May 2019 was announced by Google as its preferred language for Android app developers. Not only is Kotlin designed to interoperate fully with Java, but it also supports compilation to JavaScript and native iOS apps that share business logic with Android apps. Why use Kotlin? For one, it solves what Sir Tony Hoare, creator of the quicksort algorithm, called the billion-dollar mistake. That is, when you work with Kotlin, you're less likely to create null references, which could cause errors, vulnerabilities, and system crashes. Hoare claims null references have probably caused $1 billion of pain and damage in the last 40 years. When you use Kotlin, you mitigate the risk from null references because nullability is part of its type system. Another reason to use Kotlin is it's a concise programming language. For instance, by specifying the data keyword when making a class, Kotlin automatically generates equals, hash code, toString, and the copy functions for you. Kotlin is also expressive, meaning its support for type-safe builders and delegated properties allows for building powerful, easy-to-use abstractions in your code. This helps create scalable, interoperable functionality. And lastly, Kotlin is extensible. You can add functionality to existing classes without inheriting or using design patterns like the decorator. This is just a taste of what Kotlin has to offer. Leave us a comment about the most interesting thing you learned about Kotlin, or share what topic we should cover in the next pro tip. Thanks for watching.